Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'm looking at activity 18b. The question says open the file saved in activity 18a. Add these three items of stationery to the database. Okay. All right. So let me just open the database here. So I want to go to activity 18a. Open that. So you want to save it as an object. Let me just save that. So I'm gonna call this activity 18b, and then of course leave that stationary to suggest the table which we got that from. So I'm gonna save that right now. So I want to add some new fields. So I'm gonna go to the last, and let me just read the next one. So some fields names are inappropriate. I think they are all appropriate. What's inappropriate about the fields? Let me see. I think everything is type. Let me see. I think it's cool. So I don't think I have to adjust any. Okay, I think I'd already done that in activity 18b. So I think they are cool. So create appropriate and meaningful field name. So I think I've done that. Use the code field. So I think the code field as primary key. I think the code field is already the primary key. Let's see that. So the code field is already primary key. So which is cool. So I think that is done. So all we need to do now is just to add the new the data, okay, to the field. All right. So so what I'm gonna do here, so the code, I'm gonna just add it right there here, and then of course what do we have here? I have liver arc file, laminated liver arc file. So that will be the description. Let's see. Let me see what this one's about. So I think it's about the same thing actually. So I'm just gonna, okay, let me just copy from here. Let me just be sure what I'm doing. Let me just do this like this. Paste here. Let me do it in this order. You can do it however you want to do it. So I'll do my own. I'll do it in this order. Let me just have this one here. And then okay, so I've populated this lever. So let me see the next one. Copy this. Paste it here. Copy that. Paste it here. So this is basically what's about. So I think I will, let me paste this here. I think it's about the same thing with this. So I will copy this. Slide spine levels. And then I'll paste here too. And I believe this is 1. Let me be sure. 100. So I have 100 for the quantity. And then red, yellow, and nothing for the color. So I have red, yellow. I'll have red, yellow, and then nothing for this one. Okay, so I have this 57.22 for the, okay, that's actually the price, P price, and then P price again. What's this one? This one is 30, so I'm gonna write 30. Then that's about it. So I will have for the that's for selling price. For the purchase price, we're gonna have 28.96. So I'm gonna copy that. Yeah, I paste that right there. Let me see, 13.86 for this, 13.86, and yeah. So discount, no and yes, no and yes. So I'm gonna have yes here. So that's it. So after that, you may have to save your changes. So I'm gonna save my changes. What other thing? Nothing else. I've already saved the file as activity 18B. Alright, so I think that's about it. Thank you so much for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.